Good day, sir, madam. I'm Leilani Agrudo, 39 years old, single. I am a graduate of General Radio Communication Operator. About my working experience, I work as a domestic helper here in the Philippines for 2 years. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, washing, ironing, mopping the floor, and take care of children.
Good day to you, Miss Leilani. How are you today?
I'm fine, sir, madam.
Okay, so what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Hardworking, patient, and honest.
So what made you decide to work in abroad?
To earn money and need the financial needs of my family.
How will you avoid homesickness since you're a first-timer?
By doing myself busy and concentrate my work.
Okay, so can you tell us the proper way on how to take care of children?
Giving right food, vitamins, take care of them and loving of them.
What if you commit a mistake and the employer scolds you? What will you do?
Sir, madam, if I make a mistake, I promise I will not do it again. And I say sorry.
What is your last message or promise to your future employer?
Sir, madam, if you hired me, I promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Leilani, and hope to see you soon.
Thank you, sir, madam.